very warm welcome to Raflims. This is Swaroh Hussain, and today we are going to continue the Calibre ebook management and digital library system series. In this part, we will learn how we can operate the Calibre ebook management in an effective manner. In last part, we have discussed how we can download and install the Calibre ebook management on Windows 10 and also on Ubuntu 20.04. So here we are actually going to learn how we can operate the Calibre ebook management. So let us start. We just need to open the Calibre ebook management that we have already downloaded and installed in this Windows 10. So if you want to learn how we can download and install the Calibre ebook management, you just check the I button or the description of this video for the part 1, and there you will also learn the different features and functions of Calibre ebook management. Calibre ebook management is one of the easiest ebook management system or digital library system. So let us start. So it's actually starting. So there you can see it's actually the staff interface of Calibre ebook management, and you can check this is actually today we are going to learn how we can add books, how we can edit metadata, how we can convert ebooks. Actually we are talking about ebooks. This is one of the digital library system. So by book we mean ebook. So how we can view the books, how we can get books, and the feature news, help, and how we can remove books, how we can add multiple e-libraries in this Calibre ebook management, and how we can actually work save to disk, how we can work on USB even, and how we can connect the Calibre ebooks management to server for user interface and edit books and the prefer setting. So let us start. Before we go to further, we just need to check. This is actually the 4.21, which is actually the latest version of Calibre ebooks management. If some new version available, it will indicate you down here on the same page. And layout, so there you can see the different option of layout. For example, we have option for search bar, so you can see it has hide now. You can also hide this, or you can also display this. So we have hide all of these option here, and you can, if you want to display this, so you can actually show, you can, and show this one. So there are different options actually. So you can hide or you can show them. So let us begin to add books. I am down now to show you the complete view here. So we just need to click add books. By books we mean ebooks. We can use multiple options, for example EPUB, Kindle books, PDF, HTML books, LIT books, and the textbook or comic or archive or the word processor file. So you can add one books. I have already downloaded 2 ebooks here. I mean, they are actually free ebooks. So remember, you must have a licensed book or copyright books, or you can actually use some free books here, but you must have license to disseminate from your platform. So you can use, or even you can get free books from this button. I'll show you within this presentation. So I have actually downloaded few 2 ebooks here. So dealing with difficult people, and I still can't speak English. That's true actually. Okay, so you just need to click both of them with the control button and open this. Now they both are going to add here. Reading metadata and add books. So you can see this is actually the view here. So this is actually the cover page of this book and the next book. So we have add 2 books, and it's automatically detect the title here actually. So you can see I still can't speak English by the author name and the date when we have added this book, and the size in MBs. Rating, you can add the rating, you can add the tag here, series, publisher, and the publish date actually. So just need to click here to edit metadata. You just need to double click here, so you can edit metadata. And publish date, you can add the publisher as well, tags, rating. Okay, and to edit metadata from here, you just need to click edit metadata. For example, you need to select books first, edit metadata, one by one or the multiple books. So you can see this is the title. It has already detected this title. I can't speak English, so let me correct this, for example, in this format. And then you have to actually how it will be sorted. So you just click here and it will automatically sort it. So this is actually what you enter here, and this is what actually going to display. For example, the author name, this is actually the author name, the complete author name without inverted form. And now when you click here sort, it will sort like this, inverted format. Series, you can add some series here, and you can change the cover if the cover is not available, so you can download the cover. For example, it will search from this, multiple options. For example, this, so you can use this cover. This is Google image, this is from Bookbone, and multiple options available, so you can select any of them. So I have select this, and okay. Tag, you can add tag, or you can add the rating here. For example, whatever the rating suit to you, I mean as per your understanding. So English, by tags we mean subjects, English speaking, could be English communication, and the English language. IDs, by IDs we mean ISBN number. So you need to add the ISBN number here. For that we need to open the book and just double click on the PDF, and it will open the PDF, and there you can actually see the ISBN number, and even you can copy this and write here. So let me write 978, it's 056 09, okay, it's 096 0956, okay, 0956 1589 49. The date is actually 18 June when we are going to add this, and the publish date is August, and the publisher is book. You can check the book here. The author is Bookbone. Language is of course English. Then you need to select language. If this book is also, I mean, for example, this book is in English and Urdu as well, so you need to select Urdu as well. But English is enough now. And for example, the metadata is not available here, so you can download metadata as well. The multiple option, it will go to Google, Amazon.com and Overdrive, and you can actually configure. So you need to wait now. See the metadata, the complete metadata. With this metadata you will find this one. Okay, let me show you. it has actually some review of this book, and you will find this one has also review. This is from amazon.com, so you can see this is actually with review of this book, so you can actually add this one, but we don't need to add any right now. It's already available here, 2018. So this is one of the latest book that we have, and let me confirm the published date. Actually, it's 2014, it's not 2018, so we just need to correct this. You need to correct metadata few points at your own, okay? So, and then if the metadata is not, it will not detect the metadata, then you can actually download the metadata, and even you can actually if for example cover is not available, then you can generate your own cover like this. Or download cover. And then okay, that's all. So the metadata is updated now. For next book, added metadata. Similar, you need to perform these. For example, let me do this. You can add tags. For example, this book is about public dealing. Dealing with difficult people, or difficult people, and communication is also could be a tag actually. Or you can use multiple options. I mean, human resource could be actually. IDs is about the ISBN number, so you can ISBN number as I explained, okay. And then the publisher is, again, you can select the publisher here. Language is English, so we are working with English. And the download metadata option available, so you can add the summary of this book, or you can add some comments here. For example, let me add one comment. This is one of the best book on the topic. And trim border, you can trim the borders, you can remove this cover, and you can use HTML as well, for example. And you can, I mean, actually design this summary. For example, about the author, if you want to like this, you, and then you can write. So you can write anything here, and okay. Now see, we have add two ebooks here, and we added the metadata here, and we convert. Actually, you just select this one, and if you want to convert the format, actually you want to convert this format from PDF to EPUB, so you can do this, or from EPUB to PDF, you can do this. There are multiple options available to convert the, for example. So if you want to convert this to text, so you can do this. So there's actually the availability option. Change cover image, so you can actually do this. Look and feel, so you can actually change the look and feel. For example, base font size, this is doesn't, so you can actually fix some base font size key, so you can add minimum line height and multiple option actually available. Text, layout, styling, so you can add some extra css. It's actually cascading style sheet, so you can add some cascading style sheet. Page setup, so you can actually, this page setup is actually generic e-ink format, and you can change this. Structure, so you can read the manual of Calibre eBooks management that we have talked in the last episode of this, I mean the first episode of this series. And the get book, this is most important actually, let me show you. Okay, view, so you can view actually this, or even you can view the book, same book, or from edit metadata. There you just double click here. Okay, okay, we have already discussed view. So we have talked how we can add books, and to add multiple ebooks. For example, this is one single directory from different directory. You just need to check this drop down. Okay, let me show you. Add from ISBN, add files to selected books record, and this one and this one. So lots of options actually. For example, add from directories and subdirectories. Assume all directories in the single directory are the same directory. Okay. So you need to provide the directory from where it has to, or you can add zip format as well from ISBN. Added metadata, we have actually added metadata of one books. If you need to added metadata in bulk, so you just need to click here, drop down. For example, added metadata, for example, you want to added metadata of all 3 books or 2 books. For example, you just need to added metadata in bulk. Now you can actually added metadata in bulk. Author, this is called batch modification, so you can actually do this. And the download metadata and covers, copy metadata, paste metadata, merge books. Okay, you can merge actually these and this books. For example, you want to merge of both of them. If for example you have different chapters of books and you want to merge them, so you can actually merge here. Merge books record. Okay, for example, you just copy this metadata and you can actually paste here. See, it has changed, but don't do this actually. Okay, download metadata and cover, so you can actually, there's lots of options available with the drop downs, so you need to explore them. And you can actually convert this format, we have already talked, and you can convert in bulk as well. View, so you can actually view this. And then get book. Get book is quite important, let me show you. So you can search dozen of online ebooks retailer for the cheapest ebooks and the free ebooks as well. Calibre help you to find the ebooks you want by searching the websites of various commercial and public domain book sources for you. Using the integrated search, you can easily find with the stores has the books you are looking for at the best price. You also get DRM status and others useful information. All transaction, paid or otherwise, are handled between you and the bookseller. Calibre is not the part of the process and an issue, whatever. So this is just an information. So just click OK, and then you can search the ebooks by title, by author, the keyword, and you can actually click here gear for advanced search, and there you can find the all the words, exact phrase, one or more of these size. For example, we are looking human resource management, or let me search as a title, user manual, and you can see the user manual. For further information, copy the link, or you can click here to reach the user manual. So this is actually the user manual and Calibre user manual, and there you can find the more information about the Calibre ebook management. So let's move on and okay. Anyhow, so let me perform a basic search with human resource management and search, and this will actually find the information from Amazon, all 6 Amazon store and the Amazon Kindle as well, or the archive.com, and there actually being ebooks and these books. When you find the heart sign, that's mean these stores are actually, when you buy the book from these stores, they are actually supporting Calibre ebooks management. So they are actually supporting the Calibre ebooks management, and you can actually buy the books from these store. Okay, so let's move on. You can select all of them, or you can select few of them, so you can it's up to you. So I'm just looking a book on human resource management, just to actually search, and there you can see number of books available. This book is free of cost, but they're not available for download. See, where you find the book is available for download, like this button, so you can actually download the books. For example, this book has a guide to the integrated competencies, so you can download. This book is zero cost, and the DRM is also open, and this book is from archive.org, and the available format is EPUB and the PDF. So you can download this book. You just need to click right with your mouse and you can download this one, and then it will ask you the format. So you select the format whichever you available for you. So downloading books, it will take few time, okay, and then it will add to your collection when the downloaded may complete. I'll show you after get books, and then you can see this is actually, there is a drop down, and you can see search for this titles, search for this authors title, and stores, and choose a store, whatever. After get book, you can support Calibre if you want to. See, this has completed, it has completed the downloading. There you can, and you can add it the metadata. As I said, just need to double click here, not the double click, just single click actually. When you click double click here, it will open the title actually. Single click here, not the double click. With single click, you can edit the metadata here, or you can use this button to edit the metadata. You can download the metadata and the cover images of this book. So after get books, you can actually donate to support Calibre and the Feature News. Download news in ebook form from various websites all over the world. So you can actually download news from various newspaper all over around the world. So just click here news, and then you can select your region or your country or your language. For example, I'm looking for Pakistan, English Pakistan, and there are 3 results here, and just see Dawn, for example. and you can schedule this day of week, day of month. You can set the day here, and every X day, for example at first day or the 31st day or whatever the day. So day of weeks, and you can actually download now, or you can schedule this and delete downloaded news older than 30 days, or you can set the limit, for example 15 days or 60 days. This is just an example, and you can schedule this now, or you can download this now. If you start download, then it will take long time to complete the downloading, so I'll just skip this now, and I'll show you in the last of this video. So there you can see I also select this from UK and the BBC News, and you can do this for similar thing, and okay. And then help, at help we can find the Calibre user manual, and you can read more about Calibre there. All the information available here. It's frequent asked questions also available here, tutorials also available here, customizing Calibre, the command line interface, setting up a Calibre development environment, and the main Calibre user interface. Adding each and everything is available here, so you can read in details, so you can customize more better. So this is just an introduction about the Calibre operation. So you must read this manual, so you can work on Calibre more better. Anyhow, then remove book. Of course you can remove. There we have a drop down as well, so the same thing we have also discussed here. Add or added a custom news source, so you can actually added a custom news source here. For example, new received. If you want to add some source, you can actually do this. And help, we have already discussed this. Remove book. If you want to remove this book, for example, you just click here and it will remove. Or you can remove books in bulk as well. Remove files of a specific format from selected books, so you can do this. For example, you want to remove all PDF files, so you can do this. Remove all format from selected books except. Remove all format from selected books. Remove cover from selected books. Remove matching books from device, whatever. So you can remove the for example duplicate books from this option. And then we have another important features here, ref limits. Ref limits or library, we have created this library in last video, and actually you can switch or you can create another library. For example, new location, and on location, for example, I want to create a library in download folders, just an example, in documents folder, sorry. I have select this and then create an empty library at the new location. And after remove books, we have another important features, choose your library. We have created this library ref limits in last video, so you can actually create a new library. You can switch this library to another location, or you can export and import all Calibre data, or you can maintain the Calibre library by backup and restore the backup and check library, whatever. So we just need to create new library, and you need to select the location. For example, I want to create library at the document folder, and just write the name here. For example, reflim 2. Select this folder. If the folder is not available, you can create the folder here, or you can select any other folder. For example, I want to create library in documents, so I just select the documents here. There we have used the previously existing library at the location, at the new location. Create an empty library at the new location. Move current library to new location. So we just need to create Copy structure from the current library, no, or if you want to copy this structure, you can do this. Okay, so when you click OK, there's an error. The folder C home is not empty, please choose an empty. Okay, you must need to choose an empty folder, for example, so just need to choose an empty folder. There we have created another folder and it's named reflims 2. Select this folder and now created this new library, and this is actually the reflims 2. So we have two libraries here. We have reflims and we have reflims 2. For example, I want to switch to reflims, so I can switch to reflims, and I can actually change this to my user as well. So then we have save to disk. Save to disk is actually there you can save your data on disk. Save to disk in a single directory, save on EPUB format to disk, save only EPUB format to disk in a single directory, save single format to disk. So there are a number of options available, and this is most important: connect or share. When you want to connect your server, that's mean you want to disseminate your collection to your user. So, and this will actually show you the user interface. So there you can see this is actually the staff interface, and if you want to provide the user interface for your Calibre ebooks management, so you can do this. And there we have options: connect to folder, start content server, start wireless device connection, set up email based sharing of books. So just start content server and it will start it, and when you click on this, there's an option. It is started on 192.198.1.107 and the port is 8080 and the format is HTTP. So you just need to open your web browser, and there you actually can add this address is 192.168.1.107 and then colon 8080. I think it was the IP. Let me check again. Okay, the same thing is, and then click enter. Now it's actually loading the library. There you have two libraries, reflims 1, reflims 2 and the reflims 1. We need to work on reflims 1, and there you can see user can actually get your collection. If for example I want this collection or I want this collection, for example I need this book, so I can read here, your user can read this book. It will take few time, of course. Or your user can download the same. See, and they can search as well, and there are different tags options actually: author, languages, series, format, publisher, rating, news, and the tags and identifier. So if someone want to search the books on communication or difficult people or English communication that we have created, for example difficult people, the book is available here. So this way your user may approach your Calibre or your ebooks collection or your digital library collection. So this is actually what I want to show you. And you can stop connect server, you can stop this. Now user cannot approach to your collection. Edit books, you must need to select the books. Okay, for example the book must be in AZW3 or EPUB format to add it. So if there's a book in you can add it within the book actually through this option, and book must be in EPUB format. Configure Calibre, so you can actually configure Calibre, look and feel, behave, add your own column or the toolbar menu, searching. This is something actually the Calibre administration, so you can actually set the administration from here. In the next video we'll talk about this, how we can actually administrate the Calibre ebooks management. In this video, in this part, we have learned how we can actually operate the Calibre ebooks management, and we have learned how we can add books, how we can edit metadata, we can convert, view, get books, and the feature news. Okay, I want to show this to you. Feature news, for example. English, okay, UK, just an example. BBC for Monday only, and download now. And job has started and it will take few time actually, okay, to complete the process. See, it's 1%, it will take few time to complete the process. So it has complete the feature news. Okay, let us see what happened here. And now you can see this is actually BBC News, and the all news available here. And you just need to click, let me double click here to open this. And there you can see it's opening now, and you can see, and read more. All the news available here, and what's on. And all the news available here, so you can see it's quite interesting and very good option actually. It's responsive actually. Anyhow, so all the news of BBC you have downloaded, and it will automatically delete after 60 days. So move on. Thank you very much. You are watching Reference. This is Swarup Hussain.